Welcome back, everyone. If you've stumbled across AussieHaven Healthineers at AussieHaven Shop while searching for some great deals, hold up before you hit that Buy Now button. We've done some digging, and trust us, you might want to think twice before making a purchase. First, let's talk about the address AussieHaven Shop gives for returns. They claim to be located at 3/F, Building A, Factory Building, Heyu Industrial Zone, Zancheng Community, Fuhai Street, Bao'an District, Shenzhen, China. But here's the catch. When we search for this address on Google Maps, guess what? It doesn't show up. It's like the address vanished into thin air. Now, we all know that a legit store has an address that you can easily find. But this? Well, let's just say it's a bit suspicious. Now, let's move on to something else that made us raise an eyebrow: the contact details. AussieHaven Shop doesn't provide a phone number. That's right, no number to call if something goes wrong with your order. Genuine stores usually want to make it easy for you to get in touch with them, right? But AussieHaven, not so much. Definitely something to be wary of. And if you're a fan of social media, who isn't these days, you'll notice something missing: no social media icons linking to official pages. Weird, right? Every legit brand wants to be all over social media, so this is a huge red flag that something's off. But wait, there's more. AussieHaven Shop has these big, flashy sales with heavy discounts. Sounds great, right? Well, not exactly. Scam sites love offering big discounts to reel you in. And guess what? We've seen this same trick on a bunch of scammy websites. So, yeah, we're not buying it. Now, let's talk about the website design. It's got that all too familiar look, the kind we've seen on multiple other shady sites. It's like a scam site template that's been reused 1,000 times. And trust us, it's not a good look. Oh, and if you check out Trustpilot, you'll find complaints from people who've shopped at AussieHaven Shop. The reviews aren't pretty, and this is definitely something to consider before trusting them with your money. And finally, the return policy. It's like they took a complicated maze and made it even harder to navigate. Trying to get a refund on this site could be more difficult than finding your keys in a dark room. So, with all these red flags, the sketchy address, missing contact info, fake sales, questionable website design, complaints from users, and a confusing return policy, AussieHaven Shop is looking more like a scam than a genuine site. So, before you get too excited about those discounts, take a step back, stay smart, and make sure you're not falling for another sketchy online deal. Stay safe, folks.